everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another set of beautiful nails. So the first thing I'm doing is I'm cutting up little pieces of this angel foil, and they don't have to be the same size. As you can see, I'm just kind of randomly cutting. And to pick up the pieces, I'm going to be using a little gel brush by OPI, and to apply the strips I'm going to apply a top coat, which is gel. So it's a gel top coat and it's by IBD. So I'm going to dip the brush into a little bit of acetone just so it's wet and the strips will stick to it. And then I'm just going to randomly place the little pieces all over the nail. And we're going to cure that for 60 seconds. Alrighty, so same thing for the other finger. We're going to do a coat of this top coat, and I'm using my IBD gel top coat. And then I'm going to pick up the little pieces of angel foil with my brush, and I just place the pieces all over the nail, and we cure it for 60 seconds. Alrighty, so up next I'm going to be applying this color by GLAM, and it is a gel polish and it's in the color Spring Paradise. And like I said, we're going to apply this to the rest of the nails, and then we're going to cure this for 30 seconds. And I do still have a promo code for 30% off their website, so I'll leave the link and the promo code in the description. Alrighty, so we're gonna go in with that same color on the other hand, and I accidentally said Spring Paradise when the color of it is actually Spring Petals. I knew it didn't sound right when I said it the first time. So the color is Spring Petals by GLAM, and once again I'll leave the link in the description to their website as well as the promo code. So also, as y'all can see, I left the glitter nail that's on the middle finger or on the ring finger alone. She already had that glitter as well as that foil from her last set, so I'm just going to be adding to those instead of polishing over them. And then after this, we're going to go back to the first hand and do a second coat, and then come back to this hand and do a second coat on it as well. Alrighty, and I'm also going to go back and do a second coat of top coat on this finger with the strips and the foil, because remember, whenever you're doing this, you want to make sure that that foil is encapsulated in the nail, that way it doesn't come off. Alrighty, so now I'm going to go in and apply some bling. So I'm using this little gel that I got on eBay, and I'll leave the link in the description. And I'm using this to apply my big rhinestone. So I'm going to be using my little gel brush to apply it, and I'm just going to apply it in that area where I'm going to put the big stone at. So I'm using this big stone, and then I'm going to cure it for 60 seconds. So same thing for the other hand. I'm going to dip my brush into the gel, and as you can see, it's like a really thick gel, so it's made specifically to apply big jewelry like this. So then I'm going to go ahead and apply some rhinestones on this one as well. I'm using my SS6 and the SS12, and I'm using my Mia Secret gel resin and my wax pencil. Alrighty, so same thing for the thumb. I'm going to apply the gel on there, and then I'm going to apply the little jewelry piece on there, and then I'm going to have a little bit of excess gel on there, so I'm just going to brush that down and use that as the glue for my rhinestones. And then I'm also going to be applying some more of my Mia Secret gel resin. So for this, I'm using my SS6 and SS12. These are my SS12, and then the little bitty ones are the SS6, and then I'm going to cure that for 60 seconds. Alrighty, so as you can see, I'm going around the big piece and the little rhinestones with the glue, and then I sprayed my gel resin activator, which is also by Mia Secret. So once again, I'm going to apply the gel on that part where I want my big piece to go. I apply the piece, and then I'm going to apply my Mia Secret gel resin to apply the rest of my bling. Alrighty, so for the rest of the fingers, I'm still going to be using my bling. So I'm using my SS6 and SS12 as well. And I'm using my wax pencil and my Mia Secret gel resin. And after this, I'm going to be applying a gel top coat. And for that, I'll be using my IBD non-cleanse gel top coat. Alrighty, so now I'm just going to apply my cuticle oil, which is my clear pineapple cuticle oil, and I'm going to apply that all over the cuticle and massage it on there. And this is the final look. So I hope you guys enjoyed this set. Came out really pretty. It's so shiny and I love all that bling on it. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook at GetNailed32 and stay tuned for more videos to come.